If you're having VBA errors when you open your Alt 11 like this and you try to run the file and the file is not running, let me show you guys how to solve that. It's very simple. So what you are going to do is, I have this student form here and then I created it, but when I try to run it, I'm getting some macro error. So what you're going to do is come back to where the file is, right? So this is the file. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to right click the file and I'm going to move to the properties. Good. And you can see something here at the security. Just unblock it, apply it, and OK. Good. So now let's them again, and then we can even go there by going to the developer, going to Visual Basic. We find the system here. Now we try to run it again. It should come, and it's not going to give you that problem again. Like any file you get and you're trying to run the macro and it's not going through, just close the file, close it completely, right click to the properties, and then you take the security section, you take unblock. You see, after doing that, it has vanished here and it's not going to appear again. It's going to, work till you finish working on that file. Very simple. That's it. Peace.